In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file attachments to Trello cards. Trello is a powerful tool that helps you stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate with your team. But did you know you can also attach files directly to your Trello cards? Whether you're sharing important documents, images, or even videos, adding attachments is an essential feature to make your workflow more efficient. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Trello at www.trello.com. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. From there, enter your email address or select a sign-in option like Google or Microsoft, depending on your preference. Once you've entered your credentials, type in your password and click Login to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the Trello home screen, which displays all your boards. Locate the board where you want to add an attachment. If you have a lot of boards and need help finding the right one, use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly narrow it down. Once you've found your board, click on it to open it. Next, select the specific card you want to work with. This will open the card's details view. Inside the card, look for the Add to Card section here. You'll see several options, and one of them will be labeled Attachment with a paperclip icon. Click on the Attachment option to bring up the attachment menu. From the menu, choose Upload a file from your computer. A file picker window will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's folders. Navigate to the location of the file you want to upload. Once you've found the file, select it and confirm your choice to start the upload process. As the file uploads, you'll notice a progress indicator showing the status. Wait for the upload to complete. This usually only takes a moment, but the time may vary depending on your file size and internet speed. Once the upload finishes, you should see the attachment displayed directly inside the card. At this point, you can click on the attachment to preview, download, or even open it in a new tab if you need to reference it. If the attachment is something your team needs context for, you can add a comment in the card to explain the contents of the file or make a note about its version. For those who prefer a quicker method, you can also drag and drop a file directly into the open card. Simply locate the file on your computer, click and hold it, then drag it over to the card and release. Trello will automatically upload the file for you. If you encounter any issues during the upload, here are a couple of troubleshooting tips. First, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Additionally, make sure your file size is within Trello's upload limits. If the upload still doesn't work, try removing any special characters from the file name and attempt the upload again. Lastly, if you're uploading an image file and want to make it easier to identify the card at a glance, you can set the image as the card cover. This will display the image on the front of the card, providing better visibility on the board. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add file attachments to Trello cards in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.